right. I hope you guys are doing well so far today. It's Monday, the start of the week, and the start of us making some more money, baby. Let's go. So we have to break down Palantir stock in this video, the charts, my thoughts, of course, what I'm looking to do, and where I see it going in the short term. But guys, before we do that, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Listen to this. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100 using that link down below, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. It's the best deal in the market right now. So again, check out the link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your money. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it's currently about 1:50, 2 p.m. on the East Coast when I'm making this video, and Palantir stock is down about 0.75%. And mind you, the entire stock market right now is selling off except for the NASDAQ, which is pretty much at break even, up barely 0.03%, not much at all. Again, pretty much at break even. And we have the Russell down 1.4%, the S&P is down 0.25%, and the Dow's down 0.75%, and the VIX is up around 3%, and we have gold up yet again to another all-time high, it looks like, up 0.25%, and silver's up to almost $35 an ounce, up 2.4%. So Palantir is selling off a little bit in the midst of a volatile day, a red day for the stock market, and a day where people are flooding to safe haven assets like gold, like silver. So we're actually not doing that bad today on PLTR. In fact, even though we're red right now, we broke out of the highs from Friday this morning. You guys can see we hit $43.40 after running to about $43 at close on Friday. So we broke that high by about 40 to 50 cents. And you guys can see Friday morning we hit $41.65. So we're up even more, or we went up about $2 off that low. Isn't that crazy? From 41.60 up to about 43.40, 43.50 this morning. That was almost a $2 move, or about 4 to 4.5%. Pretty big move there off the low. And now, yes, we are cooling off a little bit in the short term here. We are down from 43.50 now to about 42.50, 60. So we have cooled off, but we are noticing a potential bottom being put in, and a pop and a breakout. You guys can see now we're above both the 50 and the 180 SMAs here on the intraday, which we just broke out. We just broke out of those literally about 15, 20 minutes prior to me making this video. So on PLTR right now, even though it's down on the day, we're looking decent, and this could be setting us up for a pop into close, into the next hour, 2 hours of trading, right? So this looks decent. It looks decent, and the fact that we took out the highs from Friday, that's a very good sign, and that overall the reversal here is holding. You guys can see on the 5-day, 5-minute on PLTR, we are maintaining higher lows at this point. You can see right here, we did pull down. We held the trend here, higher low compared to where we held on Friday morning and on Thursday and from Wednesday, of course. So this looks pretty good on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. Uptrend is holding. We're trying to reverse out of this, $4 pullback that we had last week from $44.30 down to about $40.30. We saw a decent 9% pull down, and now we've been getting out of that hole. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now all we have to wait for is if we break out heading into close today, right? That'd be ideal overall for the bulls. And here on the 20-day chart, Let's pull it up here, by the way, guys. There we go. We can see we are maintaining above both moving averages, which is huge. Both the 50 and the 180 SMAs are holding here on PLTR. That's a very big sign. And, if we take out the highs from today, we could be going right back to $44, and we could be getting one step closer at that point to all-time highs. I know it sounds crazy, but we're getting close, man. We're pretty much right there at this point as of right now. So PLTR, keep your eyes on it on this time frame. On the 4-hour chart, obviously, we're still well above the 180 SMA. We're holding the 50 SMA right now with the consolidation that we're getting today. So the $1 million question is, do we break out heading into close? That'll get us one step closer to 44.50, which has been resistance all month. And then if that were to break, all-time highs right around the corner, right? So what do you guys think about that? And this is all before earnings. Earnings are coming up here. If you guys didn't know, I believe on the 4th of November. Yeah, 4th of November after the bell. I forget exactly what day that is. We'll get more into detail the closer we get to that date. I forget what day it is, though, in the week. I think it might be a Tuesday. I have to double check on that. But what do you guys think about earnings, the charts here? Let me know in the comments down below, and sign up to the email list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks for free every Monday right to your email. It's literally free, no spam, no BS, just straight up value. Put your first name and your email address using that link down below in the description box. I appreciate you all as always. And yeah, we're not doing too bad today in the midst of a red day for the stock market where volatility's up and we're getting a push to gold and silver. And some other stocks that are moving today, guys, we have Netflix continuing to move after they reported and crushed earnings last week. You guys see a big move here in Netflix, the ascending triangle that we had outlined. That's playing out. Boom. Look at that big breakout to 773, which is the new all-time high. Now we're at 770, up about $6 again on the day, up almost 1%. Not too bad. And we have stocks like Airbnb making a decent move. Looks like this has been reversing out of the downtrend over the last couple of weeks. Very good sign heading into earnings early November. It looks like here they report. Actually, no, the last or second to last day of October, we're getting Airbnb's earnings, so keep your eyes on them. But another thing worth mentioning is we have done well, yes, but we are approaching a big level of resistance right now at about $140 per share. This was support back in February, back in May, and back in August before we then dumped under it and fell all the way to 108. So now we pretty much filled the gap back up to 140, but again, it's a big level of resistance. Do we get out of here? Do we fully break out? That's kind of what I'm waiting for here on Airbnb. Big moment of truth. Big moment of truth here on the charts. So let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments down below. And shout out to everybody out there that's joined the Patreon. I appreciate all your support. As always, I'm actually building out a portfolio on Patreon with real money. I'm putting in money every single week, and I'm buying stocks, showing you guys how I'm building my portfolio, the performance, how it's doing versus the S&P 500. All of that stuff, guys, is on Patreon. Link down below in the description box and the comment section, or you can go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. There's also a Discord. You get all my charts, posts, and ideas throughout the week. Check it out, guys. Link down below again, or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the inside. Peace out.